Got some 1986 RG 500 lowers. We're gonna be doing a little bit of work on. Looks like it got a little hot there. Both of them got some cracks. We're gonna get these decals off, get the paint matched. Then we're gonna start fixing the plastic. Cracks and any defects. I like to make quick templates. That way when I'm done I can get the sticker in the exact spot that it was in. I'll put all my measurements on here. And it just makes it quicker when I do it this way. Now that I got my templates made, I buffed this area out so I can match the paint. Looks like I found a code that's pretty close. It's a Ford color, RJG, Blazer Blue. The stickers actually are colored, so I'll do some spray outs. As soon as I get the stickers, I got to see that not only it matches the panel, but also the sticker. Took an 1/8 inch drill bit and drilled a hole wherever the cracks end. That way the crack won't spread. Then we can start fixing the cracks out. Got the crack all welded up. Now I'm going to take a flat iron and smooth it down. Okay, I got it all flattened out. Just remember to do both sides. This is actually missing a piece. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna weld some new pieces in there. Same way we did before. Got it all welded up and sanded down. I'm gonna get it primed. And then I'm gonna use a finishing glaze on it. That sticks better to primer. That's why I'm going to prime it first. Time to clear. Got my template all laid out. And this one is all done. Ready to go back to Iconic. Got the other side done. These decals are from RD Decals, and they are 100% correct. They look really good. So this one's all wrapped up. 1986 RG 500.